and efforts to balance an unbalanced relationship, I hope to answer some questions you may have. Question: is there something wrong with seeking to please men in order to win their approval? Answer: from Galatians chapter 1, verse 10. Am I now trying to win the approval of human beings or of God? Or am I trying to please people? If I were still trying to please people, I would not be a servant of Christ. I want to remind you all of something, that God wants you to depend on Him, to totally rely on Him and not on people or things or self-effort. My flesh and my heart may fail, but God is the strength of my heart and my portion forever. Referenced in Psalm chapter 73, verse 26. He wants you to believe that He will meet all of your needs, that you can safely reveal your hurts and your fears and your needs to God, truly believing He will be your need meter. Read from Isaiah chapter 58, verse 11. The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a sun-scorched land and will strengthen your frame. You will be like a well-watered garden, like a spring whose waters never fail. He wants you to trust in Him to take care of your loved ones. Reference in Psalm chapter 62, verse 8. It says, trust in Him at all times. You people, pour out your hearts to Him, for God is our refuge. And lastly, He wants you to rely on Christ, whose life in you will enable you to overcome many destructive dependencies you may have. Read from 1 John chapter 4, verse 4, it says, the one, Christ, who is in you is greater than the one, Satan, who is in the world. Thank you.